Are you guys even ready? I am gonna take you guys into the primary suite of this incredible home. So there's so many good details, so many things to see, and I'm sure first and foremost, you're probably looking at the view. So let's just start there. Our clients wanted to really utilize all natural light. They wanted a huge scene that they could look out outside their bedroom. And so we did these huge windows. There's such a dramatic effect to them, and it really captures the essence of the view that looks amazing no matter the season. We also integrated these blackout shades that go from the bottom up to the ceiling, and that gives them all the privacy. And of course, this sitting area. So this is really where their serene, like morning coffee and a book kind of moment is gonna come in. And of course, to see all the view, but there are so many other beautiful details in this space. We wanted to create a room that felt cozy. And so a way that we did that with all these big windows and natural light as we used all of the wood. That really helps create that cozy feeling. So we did all white oak on all of the walls except for the headboard wall, and then we carried it up and over the ceiling. Now, what's interesting here is that because the ceilings are so tall, we actually did an acoustic ceiling. So it really kind of helps, with the noise and keeps it much more quiet in here. We also then did this fireplace. They really wanted that fireplace because, of course, it really rounds out everything that you could ever need in a primary bedroom. And so this is concrete. It has these rivet details that adds a lot of interest, and it still keeps things feeling really clean and modern, but is really paired with everything else that gives it that warmth. Then we have the bed. So something that I really like to do when we are working with tall ceilings, that's a tip for you too, is to really balance the space. The way that we often do that is with a canopy bed. It really brings kind of that visual interest and connects the entire space. So in here, we created this custom bed, and this bed we did in a little bit darker tone than the walls, so it has a nice contrast. We then did these leather details and a cream linen headboard, and then balanced that with a little bit of dark tones in the bedding. So contrasting the bed, we have these clean, sleek little nightstands, and instead of a traditional lamp, we did these pendants that drop so dramatically from the ceiling. They drop all the way down and create just this really interesting moment. Now I want to show you guys the bathroom of this primary suite. One other quick notable thing though is this built-in that we did out of lime wash, and it really is a moment that catches your eye as you're entering the entire suite down the hallway. So then we go right here. Now, we felt like we needed another powerful moment as you enter into the bathroom. So we did this wood that carries over from here. So when it's closed, it really looks cohesive, but it looks so beautiful. And then into the bathroom itself. This is one stunning bathroom. We have so many details and moments that we put in here, and then also really balance that with some neutral moments. So our neutral moment really came in the limestone that's on all of the walls, very streamlined look. And then we paired that with this countertop. It has a little bit of a green tone to it, which is kind of fun throughout it. And then this vanity itself. This was all custom, curved corners, metal leg detail, and I'm obsessed with it. That metal detail we then brought into the lights, and that kind of helps bring a lot of backlight to the limestone for a really powerful moment. And then we have the bathtub. This might be my favorite bathtub of all time. It was a little bit of a risk, and we are so happy that our clients trusted us with it. It's made from concrete, and it has this green tone to it. I love that it adds a little pop of something different. And something else that we wanted to do was really define the space where the bathtub was. So we did all wood paneling in here, and then we also added a platform. Throughout the entire space, we did these beams that run the whole way across. It really helps kind of warm up and open up at the same time, this more narrow space. And then we have the shower. The shower we kept a little bit more simple because it's all about the views. So from the shower, you can then enter out onto a deck that has the outdoor showers. So there's no shortage of anything in this space. So this is the primary suite. I hope that you guys loved it. It has become one of my favorites, and I really feel like it just captures, nature, organic moments, and also a streamlined look.